Wasim, Siddiq played really well.
मैं पहले सीट ठीक कर ला.
Welcome to the show. Siddiq played really well.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
उसको देखा नहीं था हमने, but बड़ा impress किया उसने. और बिल्कुल जैसे इसने कहा कि हम तो पिच रिपोर्ट पे भी रिलाई करते हैं ना, थोड़ा यहाँ बैठे हैं, थोड़ा दूर बैठे हैं, पर थोड़ी सी गलत पिच रिपोर्ट हो गई.
थोड़ी सी?
जैसे इसने कहा ना कि हमने तुमको खजूर दी, तुमने हमको धोखा दिया. धोखा नहीं होया, धोखा होया. But yeah, they in the end, like you said, they went up to 270. This young boy played really well. I was watching a bit. उसकी इनिंग जिस तरीके से रन बॉल उसने 50 किया.
Yeah.
Siddiq
Yes.
was outstanding because मुश्किल टाइम जरूर था, लेकिन उसके साथ ये लगे रहे. और you know the shot making that he has, I think is just a boon for Afghanistan. Every young player who's coming in is pushing players from the past, and a lot of them would have to start thinking, you know, should we give way to these young guys coming through? And I feel Afghanistan is on the right track in that way.
Absolutely.
They've been disappointed with what's happened as a result, but this is a big gain for Afghanistan.
Yeah.
He looks like a fabulous player.
No, but if I could just add here, getting 273
Yeah.
with the kind of pitch that they had to deal with, वो pitch report तो आ गई गलत जैसा वसीम भाई ने कहा, लेकिन वो जितना मौसर था जो कर रही थी, उसके बावजूद भी they actually somehow managed, to go to 273. That should be something, because I know other teams that would probably disappear for 200.
Yeah, but then the other teams, you know where they are ending up. I'm looking
Yeah.
at this team to become the world's best team in a while.
Yeah.
So if they're thinking that way, then they will look at it the way I'm looking. But otherwise, if you want to be just content with what you've got, you were lucky with that start, because वो 54 जो आप
Yeah.
देख रहे हैं, उसमें से करीबन 30 तो वाइड और लेग बाई और ये वो
Extra
मिले.
से ball.
तो मुश्किल जब आपको निकल गया, और आपकी वजह से नहीं वैसे निकल गया, जब आपको कंट्रोल लेना था, वहां पे मैं थोड़ा
वहाँ पे आप
सा
प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे. एक चीज भी बड़ी अच्छा है कि maybe some of the seniors in the Afghanistan team must be thinking, maybe should we make way for the new generation, for the new players to come in. I'm actually very curious, Waqar, where is Afghanistan getting these new young players from? They don't have a very, I don't know of their first class cricket. Where are they getting them? Where is there club cricket in Afghanistan that we don't know of? Where is this all happening?
Look, honestly, I don't know. I mean, Jaddu probably would know कि उनका फर्स्ट क्लास का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है भी या नहीं भी है, और ये कहाँ से आते हैं. बट प्रीवियस जो जनरेशन है या अभी भी जो खेल भी रहे हैं, इनमें से बहुत सारे जो लड़के हैं वो पेशावर में ग्रो अप हुए हैं, और वहाँ पे इन्होंने ट्रेनिंग वहाँ पे एकेडमीज़ में बहुत सारे ये जो अफगान लड़के हैं, they played a lot of cricket there. That's why they know a lot of Peshawar boys also. But yeah, there are plenty of positives. I mean,
they should be very
ठीक है,
proud,
आप हार गए हैं, but I think they will go home proudly. What they have achieved, beating Australia, they beat
England.
They beat England. Sorry, they beat England and beat them convincingly. So I think there are so many. I really like this Siddiq guy. I think he's got. उस दिन मैं और जाट बात कर रहे थे कि यार मैंने इसको देखा नहीं है पहली दफ़ा, और आते आउट भी हो गया. So we were not sure if he is good enough or not good enough. But आज उसने जिस तरीके का उसका बैट फ्लो दिख रहा था, जिस तरीके से वो अटैकिंग क्रिकेट खेल रहा था, that is so much positive for Afghanistan.
Yeah. Zadran today, it looked like he was trying to stay away from the strike, especially when the lefties were operating.
Yeah, I mean, they bowled well, but I thought कि Australia, they had that opportunity, blessing in disguise, नया बॉल हाथ में, जिस तरीके से विकेट वो हरकत कर रहा था, gave too many runs. Yeah, Zadran, unfortunate, 177 रन बनाने के बाद, he would have come in to this innings with great amount of confidence, but you get runs sometimes, you don't get runs sometimes. But the good thing is, if you look at the previous innings, if you're looking to identify or put a stigma on a particular batsman, एक बैट्समैन को जब स्टार्ट मिलता है ना, उस स्टार्ट को वो कितनी अच्छी तरीके से इस्तेमाल करता है, that to me is very important.
The conversion of that start.
That is important कि भाई I take on that responsibility and I want to take it. But आज जिस तरीके से वो नया बॉल चल रहा था, you got to say कि पहले 10 ओवर में मीडियम पेसर्स were ruling the roost.